What's the meaning of Chelsea tractor? Chelsea tractor. Chelsea tractor.
Chelsea tractor. Chelsea tractor. Chelsea tractor is a term used to refer to large, expensive SUV vehicles that are often driven in urban areas by wealthy individuals. The term originated from the perception that these vehicles were primarily used by affluent residents of the fashionable Chelsea neighborhood in London. The term has come to be associated with negative connotations due to concerns over the environmental impact of such vehicles and their lack of practicality in an urban setting. The concept of the Chelsea tractor has also been extended to other affluent urban areas around the world.